Hi.
Today we're making one of these.
Oh, can you see that? What is that? Do you know what that is?
We made a fire with it.
We made a fire with it. Oh, wow. God loves fire. He says he refines us like fire. Like he makes us pure like gold by fire.
These cans.
We're going to... Oh, is that possible? We've got this can, this big can. Then we've got these cans.
I'll go get some scissors.
This one. No, we don't need any scissors. And we need this can. So this is a wood gas fire or a gasifier fire. And what happens is, can you see up there? There's the little can's inside the big can. And it's got holes around the bottom. And this one's got holes around the top. We're going to show you how to make one of these. And I'll pop that out now. Right? See that? Pops out. And Hayden can push that back in again. He's going to push it in hard. There he is. Oh, nice and hard. Yeah, that's good. Oh, he's a strong man. He's like the Incredible Hulk. So push that in there. What happens is you put your fire in here, and instead of lighting it from the bottom, you light it from the top, which is a bit strange, but this is how they work. You light it from the top, and the air draws the gas out of the wood down through the bottom. Then it goes up through here. You can't see the gas. It goes up through there, and it comes out little tiny holes around the edges here, and like little flames, like little gas jets. And that's how it cooks. It makes it heats up the wood, forces the gas out, goes up the outside, comes out these holes as flames. So we're going to make them out of these. So first off, we might take one of these. Take the paper off one of these. Can you take the paper off that one? Just so you can pull the paper off that, and I'll pull the paper off this one. These are empty cans.
And I'll do this one.
Oh, yeah. Well, we can do that one if you like, but we only need the two. I just got that for a spare, just in case we need another one. First off, we have to make a hole in the top of that lid. So what we'll use this as a template. Put that there, and we'll get a Sharpie because there's no hole. There's no hole at the moment. So we'll get a Sharpie, and we'll draw where it has to be. So we'll draw around here. Right, whoops. Turn it around there again. And just draw around there. Is that full circle? Yeah, full circle. So see that? This is the easy way. You can use lots of tools. Yeah, there you go. That's all right. Very good. Okay, and then on that, you can use lots of tools. Some people have made these using a lot of tools, but we're going to make a really simple one today, just using one of these, a old-fashioned tin opener.
What is this?
This is a bottle opener on that end, and this one before cans used to have these ring tabs, ring pulls. You used to have to open them up with one of these. Very tricky. So if we push this in here and push that down until it gets to the line, it'll push that in. Oh, it's very hard.
I can do it.
Oh, see that? That first one's just gone to the line, so we've got to do it all the way around. And it's going to take a little bit of time. Oh, it's too hard. It's very hard. Oh, it's very hard to do. You can try, but it's very hard to do. You've got to clip it underneath. There. Just do it anyway. Do it over here a bit further. It might be easier. Got to clip it underneath first. Like that, under there. That's it. Oh, it's really hard. And you can't go too far. It's really, really hard. It's really, even hard for me. It's not very sharp, this one. Okay, I should have bought some home. I had some at my workshop. And we don't have to worry about it if they don't fully do it, because we can come back and do the other ones later on. So, see that? Doing that. Round like 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 that. Oh! Here's round. Oh! Round. Round. Be nice to have a sharper one. Just make a note of that. We need to have a really sharp one. Okay, so that's not falling out yet because some of them are still joint. So I'll just pop it around and break those ones off.
You can only do it with adult.
Yeah, do it with an adult. Help you out because you need an adult because it has to be very strong to do this. So that's starting to come apart now. And it's falling apart now. This is very sharp, and that one's not going to do it. Best if you had a pair of pliers, But if you haven't got a pair of pliers, you can just bend it backwards and forwards. This is very sharp, so you make sure you dispose of this one.
I'm going to get it away from this.
Look at that. Make sure you dispose of this one very well. I'll put it in this. Nearly. Oh. Wait, no. Oh, don't put it in yet. Okay, see that? It was a bit too quick because we haven't done the other ones yet. But so what we'll do is, see how that is? That's made it a little bit too wide on this hole. So we'll try to bend some of these. We'll try to bend some of these back in. Like that. We're bending it all in. On another one of these I've got, it's a longer one, and it's sort of like it reaches out further and it does a bit better job. But this is the one I had today. The other one I got at my factory, but this one I got at my house. But that should be okay. That should work okay.
I'm starting to knock an emu.
He's pretending to be an emu. So what we do now, while we've got this big one, on the bottom, see that? It's got little holes around the bottom that let the air in. So we got about 4 on this one, but we need a few more on that one. So we'll make about 6 of them. So just pop around the holes, around the bottom, like this. Like that one. One there, one opposite. One opposite there. Oh, this is not very sharp. One there. So make sure you got a fairly sharp one of these. Fairly new one would be good. Okay, now this one here, this is one that goes inside. Now before we put it inside, we got to make some little, see that little hole? I've already made one there on the outside here. Now it's a bit hard to get, if you do it with this, it goes too low. So what I've figured out, if we use another can, which has got stuff in it, you can put that in, hold it tight, and then stick it out a bit until you get right to the edge there. Then you can put this hole here, like that. See that? And it puts it right near the top. So we need about 6 of those. So we'll do another one there. They only need to be little. That's why, and then they need to be right near the top. One more here. Whoa, oh, lost my little can. Come out. Come out. Oh no. Oh no, I lost my little can. It's got stuck. Oh, there it is. Okay, one more. And we've got 6 then. They're our little gas jets. And they only need to be small. So I'll take this one out again, if we can get it out. Because when you bend them in, it makes it a bit hard. Can you see all those? See all those little holes now? All those little holes at the top. Now, we need air holes around the bottom. So what we'll do is we'll for the air to come up, so these can be quite big. And you can have quite a few of these. So put as many as you can in, because the more air, the sort of better. But don't do them so close together. See that? Don't do them so close together that it goes through this bit of steel there. So there you go. Another one there. Another one there. And one more. See that? That'll let air up. As well as that, we'll put some in the sides here like this. If we can put a few around the sides in the bottom. Bottom here. See that? You show them that to the camera. And while I'm doing this one, see, we've already done that one. That's got them in the sides. Alright, so that one's all done. So he's got all those air holes at the bottom and all those air holes at the side. And all we're using is this to make one of these gasifiers. Very simple. Lots of people use drills and hacksaws and pin snips and other tools, electric tools to do it, but you can do it really simply. Okay, now we're going to push this one in here together. And Hayden will probably help me do that one. I'll just start it off. And just so we don't get hurt. Oh, yeah, here he goes. Look at that. Beautiful. So that's all together now. See that? I'll just tap it in to make sure it's nice and solid. So that's good. This one, because we didn't have a sharp one, it's made a few holes here, but that doesn't matter because the gas will go out there as well. It doesn't really matter. And so there, that's what it looks like from the bottom, nice and shiny. It soon loses its shine. Soon loses its shine once the fire starts. So what we're going to do now, we might go outside. It's a little bit breezy, but it seems like the breeze has stopped a bit. But it's a little bit breezy, but we'll find some wood fill it up, and then we'll see how it works, and then we might.
Are we going to use a fire starter?
Yeah, we're going to use a fire starter at the
Okay,
top. So you load it all up, put a fire starter in there, and it helps start it off. But you don't have to use a fire starter. You can use
A match.
you can use just little bits of very small bits of timber to make a little bit of a fire until the other wood starts like warming up, catching fire, sort of thing. Yeah. So we're going to try that. Here we are. Now we've got the fire.
Fire starter and the matches.
We've got fire starter and the matches. So you just come over this way a little bit. We're going to get little sticks. We don't need very big ones, but they can't be very long. Can't be as long as only as long as a tin. They can be a bit chunkier, but they can be mainly just little ones. So we'll break all these up. Do you want to break some up?
Yeah. Can I put all of those sticks in?
Yeah. Okay, so we need heaps more than that. Boy.
If it was a longer one, I could do it so I don't burn my hand.
Yeah, you don't want to burn your hand. That's be careful with fires, don't you? You tell everybody, move over this way a bit, just make sure you're on camera. I think you would be.
I'll just sit on it.
Okay, let's go down here with the fire, Hayden. Just hop down here. That's good. Fire's really hot and it's burning really well. It started to gasifier now. And what we're going to do is cook a bit of an egg as well. It's cooking very well. It cooks for about 20 minutes. Does about 20 minutes. And then the embers at the bottom, they stay really hot for about 10 minutes after that. So it sort of like goes to a simmer. It goes really hot, then it goes to a very hot simmer. But not flaming like this. I'll get a fry pan and then we'll cook an egg. But yeah, we cooked a bit of an egg and it's still cooking there and the fire's going really good. So it cooks for about 20 minutes. So it's a great fire, a gasifier fire. So remember to like, share. Hey, you ready? Remember to like, share and subscribe to our videos and watch another Power Partner video. Yeah.